Xin chào các bạn, mình là Thanh Huyền. Chào mừng các bạn đã đến với Vietlingo. Welcome to Vietlingo. If you ask a new student what the hardest part of learning Vietnamese is, they will almost say the tones. Nhiều bạn nói 6 thanh điệu rất khó. Many students say the 6 tones are very difficult. But are they really that difficult? In this lesson, we are going to master all 6, and very importantly, I'm from Hà Nội. So I will be teaching you the standard Northern Vietnamese accent. This is the accent you hear on the news and in Hà Nội. We follow the Vietlingo 3P method. Presentation, giới thiệu, practice, luyện tập, and production, thực hành. Let's meet the first 3 tones. First is thanh ngang, or the no tone. And yes, the no tone is a tone. The key to a perfect thanh ngang is high, flat, and long. Chìa khóa cho cách phát âm thanh ngang này là cao, bằng và kéo dài. Keep your voice high and level. Listen. Ma. Ma. Other example is la or se. The next is thanh sắc, uptone. The symbol goes up and so does your voice. To make it perfect, you must start low and go up slowly and sharply. Bạn phải bắt đầu từ một mức thấp và đi lên nhanh, dứt khoát. It's like when you ask, huh? Huh? Listen. Má. Má. It is chick or mom in the South. Other example is lá, leaf, xé, to tear. Thanh huyền, the down tone. This one is very easy. You just go down and stay low. Cách phát âm tone này rất dễ. Bạn chỉ cần đi xuống và giữ giọng thấp. Imagine your voice going down a slide. Listen. Ma. Ma. Other example is la, to bay. Say, to spread out. Okay, time for our first practice stage. This is control practice. Please repeat after me. Bây giờ chúng ta sẽ đến với phần luyện tập. Các bạn hãy lặp lại theo mình nhé. Ma. 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 Má. 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 Mè. 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 Tốt lắm. Very good. Now with la. 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 Now we'll come back to the presentation state. For the 3 complex tones, pay close attention. This is thanh hỏi, the question's tone. This is the most important tone for the Northern accent. Many books or teacher, often teaching the Southern accent, will tell you this tone goes down and up. For the Hà Nội accent, giọng Hà Nội, this is not correct. The Northern thanh hỏi does not go up at the end. It's a low, short, deepening sound. You go up slightly, then down and in. Đối với cách phát âm thanh hỏi, bạn sẽ phát âm hơi đi lên rồi đi xuống. Listen closely. Mẹ. Mẹ. See, my voice stay low. This example means Tom. Mẹ. Other example is lạ, to faint. Xẻ, to cut. The 5th tone is thanh ngã, the wavy tone. Some call it the broken tone. Why broken? Because you go down, stop, and then goes up again. It's almost like two syllables. Listen. Mã. Mã. Did you hear that break? Mã is horse or cow. Other example is lã, a surname, or xã, commune. The sixth tone is thanh nặng dot tone. This one is simple, very short and very low. It's like you're dropping your voice suddenly. Listen. Mẹ. 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 Young rice plant. Other example is lạ, strength, and sẹ, to stoop. Okay, let's practice these three difficult tones. Remember, this is the Hà Nội accent. Repeat after me. Mẹ is high tone, low, deep. Mẹ, ngã tone, or broken tone. Mẹ, nặng tone, short and low. Okay, repeat after me one more time. Mẹ, mẹ, mẹ. Again with la, 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 la. One more time. La, la, la. You did it. Fantastic. Now for the final stage, production. This is where you use the language freely. We're going to combine all 6 tones. I will say them and you repeat. Are you ready? Mẹ, 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 mẹ. Okay, let's try it again faster. Mẹ, 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 mẹ. Now let's try with no, 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 no. No is rare. No is used for both ngã or nặng in practice. One more time, faster. No, 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 no. Great job. Look at the screen. I will point to the word. You will try to pronounce it on your own. You were amazing today. Practice is the only way to get perfection. Your homework is to record yourself saying all 6 tones with the word mẹ and la. Send it to us or tag Vietlingo. We want to hear your Northern accent. Cảm ơn các bạn đã tham gia. This is Thanh Huyền from Vietlingo. Thank you for joining. Cảm ơn. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.